let's talk about keyboard shortcut modifier in SwiftUI. Keyboard shortcut modifier in SwiftUI. How to add keyboard shortcut using keyboard shortcut. So what is keyboard shortcut modifier? SwiftUI makes it easy to add keyboard shortcut for devices that support it, such as iPod OS and Mac OS, and or using the keyboard shortcut modifier. The second way to use keyboard shortcut is to specify which modifier keys you actually want to as an example. So first of all, we're going to create on the SwiftUI view, and this is a command N, and which have a SwiftUI view, and this is a keyboard shortcut. Shortcut. Which have created on this keyboard shortcut example. Suppose we're going to create on this 2 button, we stack button, and we're going to create on this button. Suppose this is action and label. We have this remove this. We're going to create on this text. Suppose this is the first text is loading, and we're going to apply on this text property. Suppose this is a headline, and this is we're going to apply on the what is, suppose which have bold, and we can apply on this. This is a red color, white color. So which have a white color on this button, foreground color, and we're going to apply on this padding dot frame 300 width and 60 height. Remove on this alignment, okay, and we're gonna create remove this align frame and remove this alignment, and we're gonna apply on this dot paddings and frame and alignment. Suppose we're gonna apply on this dot corner radius and corner, this is 60. Suppose we can use 18.0, and we're gonna apply on this done on this button. Resume on this application. So we're gonna apply on this dot background colors. Suppose we have a dot background colors dot purple color, which have a dot purple color on this background color. We're gonna resume on this application and resume on this application. So this is a run on this pattern. This is a loading in this loading action in this button. Suppose which have a loading action. Suppose this is the corner radius is 60, and we're gonna apply on this corner radius is 24. Assign this corner radius is circular. Suppose which have 24 and 20. 34, apply on this corner radius is super design is 34, apply on this corner radius, okay, and we're gonna apply the same create in this 2 buttons, and we're gonna change on this background. So suppose which have foreground color is red color, and this is a background color is green color, which have on this green color, okay. We're gonna create in this 2 button, okay. So 2 buttons, and we're gonna apply on the keyboard shortcut modifier in this button. We're gonna apply on this keyboard shortcut modifier, and we're gonna action on this button print statement. We're gonna apply this print statement. This is a loading button, and which have a loading. This is a loading button in this UI, and we can same statement in this use of this loading. Notice multiple keyboard action. Multiple keyboard action, and we're gonna create on this print statement, and which have a multiple keyboard actions, okay. We're gonna create on this 2 button multiple. Suppose we're gonna apply on this first button on this keyboard shortcut, and we're gonna apply the keyboard shortcut, and we're gonna apply on this running. So suppose this is a keyboard shortcut, this L key in this L, and comma we're gonna assign this dot modifier, and suppose modifiers first is command shift all caps lock numeric pad in this MacBook Pro all keyboard, in this MacBook, iPad, iOS, and all keyboard. Suppose which have a command press on this L, okay. I will assign on this loading. Suppose we can this, we're gonna add on this another button in this keyboard shortcut dot keyboard shortcut, and suppose which have a M key in this M key, and comma modifiers array of modifiers. Suppose this is a command and command and comma dot shift command sorry command shift M. Okay, we're gonna run on this application. Suppose in this keyboard shortcut example, and we're gonna run on this application. We're gonna run on this application. So SwiftUI makes it easy to add keyboard shortcut for devices that support it, such as iPad and macOS, or using the keyboard shortcut modifier. The second way to use keyboard shortcut is to specify which modifier keys you actually want to add. For an example, so we're gonna apply on this tab event on this login, login. Suppose we can use multiple section, this multiple selection, and we're gonna this in this section this directly actions. We're gonna apply on this key. Okay, and command L. Sorry, which have on this command L, not apply on this UI. So first is command L, and we're going to check on this key. This is the first key is command L, and it is command L. Sorry, we're gonna set on this key command L dot command L. Suppose which है not applying this command and suppose this is a P processing. Okay, and this loading pressed loading, and this is a command which have command P loading. This press on the command P, but it's not applying this command P. Suppose which have remove this tab event, and suppose which have command P and command. Suppose this first is loading and command P and command P. Suppose this loading and this is the command P. So we are gonna run on this applications. This command P and this use not in this issue the command P and using this command P and we can use of loading command P and command is button event on this print on this loading command P. Suppose we can use of multiple selections and multiple section we can assign the command line in this interface multiple selection tab, and we can assign this command shift M. Shift command M, shift command M, shift command M, shift command M. Command shift M, command shift M. We're not applying the sections, command shift M. Suppose we're gonna check on this send. This is a command, sorry, you can use a command and you can use a shift R. We're gonna run this application key in this change in this key. Okay, we're gonna change in this key. Suppose we're gonna change on this key, and the first tab is multiple section, and this is a command shift R. In this command shift R, and we're gonna change on this issue. Suppose this is a command shift R, but it's not running in this state is command shift R. This command shift R. Okay, we're gonna check on this breakpoints and this UI command shift R. Okay, and keyboard shortcut in this UI. Suppose we have keyboard shortcut in this UI. Okay, we're gonna run this application command R multiple and command shift R. Okay, which have a command shift R on the modifier and the shifter. So shortcut SwiftUI. Thank you for watching this video of keyboard shortcut modifier in SwiftUI.